We were born in simpler days, between cassette tapes and arcade plays. From 80 to the early 90 line, we grew up tough, we grew up fine. And now we're standing in the middle of town, with silver thoughts but hearts that shine. 40 years but we don't feel old, still got stories left untold. Mirror says one thing, the soul says another. Still feel like a kid running undercover. We got young blood in the